rubber waist, like a rubber band. You have your own things, you never rubber man.
Bro. Pa, pa. Hi everyone, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, if it's your first time stopping here, Happy New Year to everyone and to all my Trinidad people who are actively waiting for me to react to another Trinidad killer. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've encountered this guy. I think I received a comment mentioning that I should check out this guy, right? He's called Young BREDDA. So, Young BREDDA, that name rings a bell. Oh yes, I think I know who this guy is. Bro, you see in Jamaica here, Young BREDDA. That dude is always playing, always in your play, in every buses, taxis, every public transportation that plays music when it comes on to dancehall. Music, his style, his sound, everything is of a bit difference when it comes on to music. But it's my first time reacting to one of his music. It's not my first time hearing him, but it's definitely my first time reacting to his music. So if you guys are new, welcome. And if you guys want some more reactions when it comes on to Young BREDDA, always subscribe, hit the bell icon for more. So today, we'll be reacting to Young BREDDA, the greatest Bendover. Bro, I ain't gonna tell no lie. My favorite sex position, bro, is when a female bends over, when everything is peeping out on me. That's my favorite position. So if this song is explaining my situation, then bro, that's a bonus. I would love to hear more. So without further ado, let's hear what Young BREDDA is disclosing for us today. The vibe sounds good. The vibe sounds good. But the cadence is giving me a sound like a skillibeng. It's reminding me of skillibeng. The sound, the intro, it's reminding me of skillibeng. Okay. Similar voices, great similarities. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Yo, bro. To be honest, I have to go deeper into a lot more Trinidad music because trust me, the music is giving a sensational feeling, bro. It leads you to want to listen more and more and more. Bro, this music sounds so good. Like, bro, if I should play this music around a female, right? She's literally feeling good because the music is giving an excellent feeling, bro. As I stated earlier in my introduction, bro, this my music plays every day. Okay, let she bubble, let she bubble, let she bubble, let she wine. Pushback is the greatest wine. Bro, surprisingly, his voice is really good. His vibe is really good. Like, bro is a natural born superstar, bro. He's an artist, a very great artist. Now, the voice alone is giving me the vibe to dance with a woman, to enjoy myself with a woman, bro. Let she bubble, let she bubble, let she... Bro, if this song should play it in a party or anywhere in a club, dance or a party, at home, while having fun, you have to dance. You have to get a female and dance with her, bro. You have to bubble with her, bro. Like, this is the feeling that this song Baka, bro, that little voice. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This dude is fantastic. For my first time checking this dude out, I am feeling overwhelmed with such great precision, with such great lyrics, with such consistency when it comes on to making music referring to the woman. So for me, bro, enjoyment in this song. I have to make sure that this song gets more and more enthusiasm while I go along with this song. Because, bro, nice music. Bubble let you, bubble let you, bubble let you wine. Push back is the greatest wine. Back up, back up, back up, back up. She said, take it easy, take, bro. If a woman told me to take it easy, right? Then eventually I feel good. Bro, this song is very commanding as well. Commandingness of this song is wild. Bro, imagine, right? You have a woman, okay, and you told her to wind her rubber waist. Just imagine how elastic that be, right? Oh, she's of no joints, right? Because the flexibility turns into a rubber, right? Yet still she never rubber man, bro. Bro, that line is crazy, right? Imagine you're looking at a female with a rubber waistline. She just keep on going in motion, motion, motion all the day right around, bro. That's literally entertainment, bro. That would entertain me. Imagine when she put on a fair costume, right? Every man, just because to how she look good and to how she look sexy, look to how she dress fine and decent, that's every man want to jam in our section. Just take it easy. Take it easy. Young brother, excellent. Excellence, my G. That was superb. So, if you guys enjoyed my reaction, bro, remember to subscribe for more Young Brother song. Because I guess this is not the first I will react to. The continuation continues while I'm reacting to all his music. So subscribe, guys. If you guys are new, welcome. And hit the bell icon for more. I'll see you guys in another Young Brother reaction, man.